Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will be looking at different types of login options available in Enture platform. In Enture platform, we have two different types of login options available. One is root login and another is UAM login. To access the root login, first we need to sign up. The option is in the below. We will be selecting the sign up button. Here we need to enter the email address, the name, the phone number and the password, and confirm password need to be entered. After that, we will be submitting the by selecting the submit button. Once the detail is filled, your request is transmitted to our organization. Once your request is approved by our organization, you will receive a confirmation email. The user can access the login. Once the user receives it, he can enter the email address and password and log into the Endure platform. And another login option is UAM login. This login is dependent on root login. Once the root login is been used, the UAM login is been created where organization ID is been given to each person, where a username is created by root login and a password. Both will be created by root login, and each user will get a ID and a password where user can change his password by entering into the Endure platform, and he can change later on. Thank you for watching. For more, connect with us in LinkedIn and YouTube.